Oho.
Show them how we do it. It's like
are continuing project here. Just small update. We have done a lot of things. We have done more than filmed. Where did you went? Hi. We have made more than we have filmed. So the roof already again removed everything, make it the hole bigger, and we put these bars here to have the what is this? Kaltevuus. Well, this is a bit higher, 122 centimeters, and this is 121 centimeters, so it goes down a 1 centimeter between these two. So our bars were a little bit off, so now I welded these here so we can clamp to these and make the steel bars really nicely flat. So this is getting done. Also, Nico has made the wide body kit on this side. Also, it's not finished yet. This needs to be done, and we have already been connecting the axle down there. The bar on this side is a little bit straighter than on this side. That's why this bar is a little bit inner than that axle. But we need to weld those off and turn it 2.5 millimeters inwards the wheel there, so we can get the same measurements on both sides. But everything is looking okay. I will be getting a picture into Instagram from behind here how it looks with the both wheels on and the bumper on. It looks quite nice. Also inside here, when I finished the roof, these bars here, we ran out of steel again. We need to buy that 4 centimeters times 2 centimeters bars, and the excess bars will be used. I think we need like 10 meters more. We will be making these bars here every 20 centimeters, so we can get the full enclosure really nicely, like so that the back side is there. And also I cut these off so we don't have nice big threaded bolts here, but we have it nicely here, so we have room here to make the battery rack complete. But so far so good. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram if you want to see pictures from us from the build, and also we have Snapchat now, so it's Team Peränurkka without ääkkösen pisteitä. Well, te on peränurkka in plain Finnish, like our YouTube page, youtube.com/u/Team Peränurkka. So that is our Snapchat, everything in small, no caps. So that's about it. We will be continuing to making the 2.5 millimeters down there so we can get everything flush. Then some pictures, then home, eat some sausages or something like that. A little bit time off from the project. Well, like if you like, dislike if you dislike, and leave a comment how everything is turning out. And actually 2 videos ago I asked about paints. We got a lot of answers in our Facebook, but thank you for every answer. So we will be trying to make this soon, complete the other side so we can paint it. But we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye!